Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the daily time frame chart of gold. Gold is in upward trend. Now let me show you, let me put the horizontal lines. The gold went up to this level. From here, this was the trending move. Then came down to retest this level. This was the level on the daily time frame. After retesting this level, went upward and again came down to retest this level. Now gold, after retesting on daily time frames and 4-hour time frames, these two levels is going upward, and it is high probability that this level will be broken. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, watch here. On the 4-hour time frame, from here, this was after coming downward, this was the retest, was the retracement up to this level, went again upward. Now this time what happened? Now let me put the horizontal line again and show you. This time again went up to this level. Watch that, though it came down from, not went that up, not broke that level, but previously this was the wick, and for some time remained here above this wick, and again came downward and retested the above level, the level that is above this, not this below. So this was also expected to be retested. Now the gold is going upward. Now let us watch on the 1-hour time frame. Watch here. The gold this time is going upward, from came down and going upward from this level. First of all, went up to this level, then retested this level, went up to this level and retested this level. Now once again let me put the, what happens in the trends, the retests happen in the trend. This is the reason, this is the psychological reason that it becomes very difficult to hold the positions, because someone if entered here will be thinking that the gold is coming down. Someone entered here or here will be considering that the gold is coming down. But these are the retests. This happens in trends, and this is the reason that some traders blow their accounts, because they expect that for example, someone who has entered sell here, the gold would have been coming down, he would be expecting that it will go down, or even would have, someone would have entered here sell, then he would be expecting that the gold is coming down. This is the reason that we close profit trades in profits, in small profits, and uh, leave the positions open when they are in loss, because of these retests. Now this is was the 1-hour retest, this was also the 1-hour retest. Now let me put the position here. This is was also the 1-hour retest and also the 4-hour time retest. Watch here. In the 4-hour time frame, now let me remove all other, uh, and now let me show you. On the 4-hour time, gold is going up from this level right now. Okay, went up to this level, and this was the retest of 4-hour. Went up, and again this was the retest of this 4-hour level. Now it is expected that it is going to break above levels. This is high probability. I don't know what will happen. The gold is bullish now after second retracement. Now, why do I think that this level will be broken? Because before breaking this upward level, gold has come for second retest. It looks that the gold is going to break this level, because Why do retracements happen? Because the buyers are the sellers. In the bullish movement, the buyers want to buy on the low price. They bought here, then gold went up. Again, it came down here and they bought here because they want to buy low. If it is expected that it will be broken to the upward. I don't know what will happen, but when I see a reversal signal, I will share with you my analysis also. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.